Alright, so welcome back to our new video. So today in this video I'm going to do this jump rope. So let's start from the beginner to advanced level. So as for the beginners, you should be able to do at least a single jump rope like this. So if you are able to do a single jump rope like this, then you should proceed to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to keep it going, you should be able to freely move your both of your wrist so that the rope flows in a circular path. So let's do this in a speed way of the beginner level. So let's see 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that was the beginner level. So that was level 1. So let's do the level 2. So in level 2 we are going to do the alternate legs. So it's like this. Level 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in this way you should be able to lift both of your legs up and switch it alternately. So if you are a beginner, you should try to reach this second level, which is the switch leg. So once you are able to do this switch leg properly and easily, then you should be able to proceed on to the third level, which is the double switch leg like this. So in double switch leg, what you are going to do is do 2 times jump rope on single leg, like 1 2 change, 1 2 change, 1 2 change. Alright, so that was the third level. So once you are able to do the double what was I saying, the double jump rope on both of your legs, then you should be able to do your the level 4, which was the jump rope on single leg. So it's like this. One. So as you can see, I am right now doing the jump rope on my left leg, and let's switch to 3, 4, and now I'm doing on my right leg. So that is the fourth level. So once you are able to master this, you should be able to have plenty of strength in both of your legs to be able to move to the next level, which is the crisscross. So the crisscross is like this. So you need to have you need to have at least what to say 50% of concentration and coordination between both of your hands and both of your legs. So it's like this. Normal cross. Sorry, that didn't get well. So I will demonstrate it once again. Normal cross, criss cross, criss cross, criss cross, criss. So that was the crisscross. So if you are able to do crisscross, then you should be already in the intermediate level of jump rope. So that was one hell of a workout that I am doing right here. So let's move on to the last one, which is the double unders. So I haven't been training on the double unders for a long time, so let's see if I am able to do at least 10 of it. So the last one is the double under. So it's like this. Normal. Oh, that didn't work well. I will try again. Okay, that stopped. That is why the pin got stuck, and because of that the rope also got stuck. Okay. You should be able to do this. Right now I am not able to perform this, so you guys will able to do this. So that was this intermediate level, and it was the last one. So as for the rest of the days, I will be training on these double unders for at least 3 to 4 days. After that I will be probably able to do at least 20 to 30 rounds. So that's it for this quick jump rope video. So if you found this video enjoyable, that was not the word, if you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to like as well as share this video with your friends. So I hope you are able to at least learn some new things, and if you are not able to learn some new things, then you should wait for the next video on which I will be bringing another new cool stuffs that you will be able to do at your home. So that's it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.